You could accidentally break the law today without even realizing it. And some of these laws are so ridiculous, they sound completely made up. In Switzerland, it's actually illegal to own just one guinea pig. Why? Because they get lonely. So if you buy one guinea pig, you legally need a friend for it too. In parts of Australia, changing a light bulb without a license can technically get you fined. Imagine calling an electrician because your kitchen bulb died. In Alaska, it's illegal to wake up a sleeping bear just to take a photo with it, which means enough people probably tried that for it to become a law. In Florida, parking an elephant at a parking meter requires you to actually pay the meter. So yes, elephants count as vehicles there. In Japan, being overweight can actually get companies in trouble. Workers have waistlines checked yearly under something called the Metabo Law. In France, it was once illegal to name a pig Napoleon. Imagine getting arrested because your pig had the wrong name, and somehow, every single one of these laws is real.